Hello, good evening, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Creative Mary TV again. So this is a video on the Bitcoin airdrop update. I made a video on how you can prepare for the listing when it eventually happens, okay, or when it will be and the date will be communicated to us. So scroll down to my videos and then you find the video, the Bitcoin preparation. All right, the listing date. So this is a video on the latest update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was supposed to be listed December, but it was shifted to January 25th. As you can see here, it was official to be listed January 25th, 2025. So they later cancelled it, and then we got an update that the Bitcoin will be listed pretty soon. So let's go to the community posts to find out the real date of this Bitcoin listing. So on the 26th of March 2025, the Bitcoin listing date was confirmed, and it says here, if you read through this update, mates, we finally made it. After months of building, grinding, and pushing through every challenge, the Bitcoin is officially listing on April 29th, which is this year. So in 2025, April 29th, our dear Bitcoin will be listed. And it says here that no more delays, no more. Soon, this is real. It's happening. Sex is confirmed. It's an exchange that is confirmed, all right? So the market is on our side, momentum is here, and this is the final stretch before everything changes. We just pray that this should be the final stretch as it is written here. So now, what you need to put in place and must take serious is this part here. It says, everything you do now counts more than ever. Number one thing that counts is connected Ton wallet. So make sure your Bitcoin Ton wallet is connected successfully. And the next thing you should consider that will count is campaigns. Engage in the Bitcoin's campaigns. And the next one is pre-listing tax. So when you log in your Bitcoin, you will find the pre-listing tax there. Make sure you go through all the tax and perform them successfully. And then the next one here is mate invitation, meaning that you're going to be inviting friends to mine the Bitcoins. All the friends you've invited when mining the Bitcoin will be counted as well. All right. And then the next one, the last, is all in-app engagement, meaning all the engagement in the application of the Bitcoin. Make sure you are engaging them. The daily login, all the YouTube videos, make sure you watch them, and then you perform all the codes that need to be put in place in the YouTube video in the Bitcoin application. Okay, so this is all what you need to be prepared for. All activity boosts your place in the airdrop queue, and yes, everyone still has a chance to claim the spot in airdrop. All right, so we are fully prepared for this Bitcoin listing, and we hope that it gives us what we truly deserve, and we should not expect less from it. We pray. Okay, so if this is the first time I've come across my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend and push this video to other people